Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide recently used files in quick access on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide recently used file in quick access on Windows 10, go to File Explorer. Look, these are the recently accessed files or recently used files. Now I'm going to hide these files from here. Just click on View tab on upper left corner. Now click on Options. Folder Options has been opened and select the General tab. And here under Privacy you will find Show recently used files in quick access, and by default it's selected. Just uncheck this option and now click on Apply. Now look, recently used files are not showing in quick access. Now click on OK. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.